Good morning, Standard 7. I am going to continue chapter 1, the cell. In this video, I am going to explain you about the plant cell and function of cell wall. So let us know about it. Dear student, this is the diagram of the plant cell, and plant cell generally in the polygonal shape, dear student. You see here, plant cell is externally covered by double membrane. Outer membrane is known as cell wall, which is being made up of a complex carbohydrate known as a cellulose. So dear student, the outer covering of plant cell is being protected by cell wall, and the composition of the cell wall is a complex carbohydrate cellulose. Second layer of plant cell is being protected by plasma membrane. Just beneath this protective membrane, fluid medium. Just beneath the protective membrane, there is a fluid medium known as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, where all the chemical reaction used to take place in the cell. Dear student, you see this particular diagram. It is known as a dictyosome. The particular organelle is known as a dictyosome. Its main function is secretion of enzyme and hormone, dear student. As dictyosome in animal cell, it is known as a Golgi apparatus or Golgi body, but in the plant cell it is known as a dictyosome. A large bag type of structure known as a vacuole, which used to capture the internal total surface area, approx 40 to 50% of the total surface area inside the plant cell. Whereas you see, nucleus is at the site, at the periphery, whereas in the animal cell, nucleus is situated at the center, dear student. See, it is a organelle known as plastid. Plastid, which is responsible to give color to the plant. Mitochondria, as you know, it is known as a powerhouse of the cell. So dear student, now I am going to explain you about the function of cell wall. So let us know what are the function of cell wall. First, it gives definite shape to the cell. Plant cell. Second, it makes cell rigid and strong. Third, it protects cell from injury Fourth, it allows substances to enter an leave the cell. Okay, dear student, these are the important function of cell wall. First, it gives definite shape, a perfect shape gives to the plant cell. It gives definite shape to the plant cell. Second, it makes cell rigid and strong. Rigid and strong. As dear student, the composition of the cell wall is cellulose. The composition of the cell wall is cellulose. Cellulose. Cellulose is a complex form of the carbohydrate. So, as the composition of the cell wall is cellulose, it makes the cell rigid and strong, dear student. Hard and strong. Hard and strong. It protects the cell from the injury, from the external or any type of the foreign agent. Plant cell is being protected, which can harm or which can cause any type of the injury. So cell is being protected from the injury. Fourth, it allows substances to enter and leave the cell. Dear student, an important function of the cell wall, it allows substances to enter and leave the cell. So it allows only those substances to enter and to leave which are important for the cell. So dear student, it allows the substances to enter and leave the cell. Due to that, it is known as a freely permeable membrane. So another name of the cell wall is freely permeable membrane, dear student. It is known as a freely permeable membrane because it allows the substances to enter and leave out the cell. So, dear student, this is the function of the cell wall. So please, you read the topic and learn about the function of cell wall. Thank you, dear students.